What was the point जहाँ पे तुम्हें लगा कि नहीं you have to lose those weight because you were working in media in serials as well?
So basically, like I was always like a little chubby, cute little girl, and I started when I came into the industry. Like I came in with intense passion. मेरा कभी goal नहीं था to look a certain way. I was very happy in my own skin. But as I started going deeper and getting more entrenched within the industry, I realized that उनका criteria मेरे दिमाग में जो criteria था उससे बहुत different था. So I never thought कि, you know, like I was never fat. And I was never, you know, like, what would you say? I was never really skinny. When I came to you, I was very skinny, and you would call, like, जैसे आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि I was almost anorexic, right? And that comes from self-esteem problems. जब आप कुछ लोगों को वैसे यू नो एनोरेक्सिया हो जाता है या देर जस्ट लाइक अनेबल टू लाइक फॉर वट एवर रीज़न उनको वो इन अ वे इट्स अ मेडिकल कंडीशन राइट सो लेकिन जो लोग ज़बरदस्ती ये करते हैं अपने आप के साथ जैसे कि मैंने जो किया which was very wrong, and it stemmed from self-esteem problems, which was the unrealistic standards of our industry at that time. So you know what would happen is, how old was I? Like
18. You were
yeah,
18
like
at that time. Yes,
17,
17, 18,
17,
yes.
18. So आजकल की generation of 17, 18 is so different to our generation of 17, 18, right? And I was very malleable at that time, so naive के, you know, किसी की बातों में भी आ जाती थी. So what happened is that I went on set and I'm just a like I'll share the picture with you too, so you can have like a before after kind of a picture. And I was just on set every day. Everyone like सारी ख़वातीन बैठी होती थी. हमें मतलब हमारे जब हम शूट पे जाते हैं हम एक कमरे में होते हैं. कमरे के अंदर मतलब 5, 6, 7, 8 जितने भी आर्टिस्ट हों या 3 आर्टिस्ट हों सारे एक ही कमरे में बैठते हैं. So what happens is there's a lot of energy exchange that happens, you know. Obviously अगर कोई यही बात करता रहेगा कि हाँ मुझे पतला होना है मुझे पतला होना है मुझे पतला होना है नहीं मुझे इसकी तरह होना है और वो कोई बहुत ही हॉट पतली सी चिक की पिक्चर दिखा रहे हैं and they're just like oh I just want to be like her I just want to be like her and you know what like some one from the industry very 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 nice actress one of the greatest co-stars I've worked with but again not knowledgeable in nutrition